This is Astrid with Kanen Coffee. I've got this Espresso EVD 2-group machine here. So this machine was having trouble with the heating, and then it was having trouble with the pump and the electronics. So what we found is actually that it has a really unique wiring configuration for the commutator here, which we replaced. And we contacted Astoria because they have this is equivalent to their discontinued model. They sent us the wiring diagram, but none of the wiring diagrams seem to be accurate for this commutator. So we did some work and figured out the wiring ourselves, and now it's wired so that the heating element turns on, all of the group heads are functioning properly. So now I'm just going to show you that everything is working with this new wiring configuration. Got the steam here, water dispenser, and all of these buttons here work on both of the group heads. So this machine still does have a few problems, which were not covered under the deposit. So it has some leak from the valves down here, which is not too difficult of a fix. And that's about it for the video. Alright, thanks for watching.